So success comes to those who have the willpower to win over their snooze buttons. The most important topic, जिसको करे बिना you cannot go for your exams. You have a very limited time. Don't go and give your examination without watching our 2 videos. These are specially designed and made for you to clear your examination. So hello everyone, I am Pallavi, your paper 1 educator in Sahitya classes, and today I am bringing you the most important topics which are required, like I talked about in my previous video, that as promised, I am bringing you the most important topics jisko kare bina you cannot go for your exams. Okay, these are the topics which you have to include in the timetable, and what I'm saying is, for that you should go and see the previous video which we made, and which you must have seen, and then you should come to this video, because that is the base which will actually tell you that what you need to do and how to go forward. Okay, so let's go and let's not waste time, because you have a very limited time, and again it's a wake up call for everyone. Please don't go and give your examination without watching our 2 videos. These are specially designed and made for you to clear your examination. Okay, so let's start with the most important topic. See, there are lots and lots of things to study. Even I have taught you during my offline batch, during my Google Drive, or whatever you have joined us with. But these are some topics which I have shortlisted from them just for you. Okay, let's start. Okay, so success comes to those who have the willpower to win over their snooze buttons. So what is snooze button? You all know that the snooze button on our phone, whenever alarm is ringing, we are always doing it snooze. Let's wake up after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. देखते तो कभी 1 hour हो जाता है, कभी 2 hours हो जाता है. So, success comes to those who have the willpower to switch off the alarm right there, right then. Though सुबह 5 o'clock का alarm लगाया है तो 5 you are up. You are not snoozing it to 6 or 7. Okay. So your willpower, especially at this time, should be stronger enough that you just forget your laziness, you just overcome your excuses. I told you in the previous video, hashtag no excuses. So that's exactly what you need right now. It is the need of the hour. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's directly go to the topics which you should study. These are the shortlisted. इनको करे बिना मत जाना. If you have time, do more. But these should come in your timetable, in your planning, because these which we are bringing to you has been checked and rechecked and again checked from previous year patterns. Okay, so नंबर सिस्टम, सी नंबर सिस्टम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. न्यूमेरिकल्स जितने भी हैं आईसीटी के, एक बार ही आ जाएंगे तो आपको उसके बाद यू डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स. दे लुक डिफिकल्ट बट दे आर वेरी इजी. Then all the new technologies which are there in the market, your artificial intelligence, your virtual reality, Zigbee पे अभी पीछे question आया था, cloud, Moodle, all these things, all the new technologies which are there, which are very new, you should know about them. Then digital hygiene includes all your malwares, your viruses, all those things. Okay, and then the memories related questions, they often come. See, these are very free marks. ओके, ये सारे के सारे आपके फ्री के मार्क्स हैं, जो ये आपके मेमोरी क्वेश्चन है, डायरेक्ट 2 नंबर आ जाते हैं. नंबर सिस्टम, इफ द क्वेश्चन इज देयर, यू आर क्लियर विद द बेसिक्स, अगेन फ्री के 2 नंबर. एब्रीविएशन, सी एब्रीविएशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एब्रीविएशंस पूछ लेते हैं, समटाइम्स इट्स टू सिंपल, समटाइम्स इट्स, सी यू नो, where we lack with our consistency होगी ना, थोड़ी abbreviations रोज रिवाइज कर लेंगे. I'm sure we will be able to score 2 marks here as well. Every number counts. हर 2 नंबर काउंट करता है. So ICT में, see, there are lots and lots of topics, but again I have shortlisted these topics for you. इनको करे बिना मत जाना, you can do more as well. Okay, so let's go ahead. रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड, योर रिसर्च का जो एप्टीट्यूड है, फॉर दैट ethics, plagiarism, software testing, all these things are very important in your research aptitude. Then sampling related questions, research types, all the types of researches are very very important. हर एक research को, if you have been my student, you know that how we did, how we quoted examples, what is the best way to remember them. The best way to remember anything is by quoting and learning it with examples. So I'm sure you should have done that. If you are my student, research types very very important, इसको छोड़ना मत. Okay, then validity and reliability also very important. Variables and measurement of variables, again variables भी एक important topic रहता है. So see, I have short listed, एकदम छान के आपका पूरा impurities निकाल के I have got you the best of the lot of the topics which are hots. पूछते हैं ना कि क्या मैम कुछ बता दो, क्या पढ़ें क्या नहीं पढ़े. This is right in front of you. टेक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, इंक्लूड दिस इन योर प्लानिंग. हर रोज एक टॉपिक को खत्म करो, ठीक है. हफ्ते का प्लान बनाओ, हफ्ते में पेपर 1 इन टॉपिक्स को खत्म कर दो. दैट शुड बी योर प्लानिंग. PYQs, मॉक टेस्ट, whatever I told you in the previous video. So let's go ahead. Communication. Again, communication is a very vast topic, but there are two things which are very very important: barriers of communication and models of communication. Very very important. Barriers को तो एकदम बिल्कुल पीस के ना drink it up, okay, because barriers of communication is very important. Yeah, see, one thing I always tell my students who are there with me in my offline batch also, that please don't try to ratify anything. Don't try to grasp everything through rote learning. Try and understand, try and relate something with the title. Everything there should be a title and related with an example. Example और title को relate करोगे, याद करना would be super easy. Okay, that you can also understand with when you are doing classes with me, you will understand it more. But anyways, whoever is not doing the class as well, barriers, models, these two things, please do it. ठीक है, अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा है कुछ भी, this is your PPT to start with. These are the topics you should not leave and go and give the examination. Okay, so let's go ahead. Teaching aptitude, okay, your technology related, your teaching related questions, then your Swayam Prabha, then Bloom's taxonomy, Jean Piaget's stages of development, MOOC, teacher learner, and then evaluation system. These are the most important topics to read from teaching aptitude. Teaching aptitude is a topic which is very easy also, but it becomes difficult also if you're not studying it in the right way. Okay, so these are the topics from teaching aptitude which you should study. See, basically what happens is, what you should actually do is, after watching this PPT, prepare a plan for yourself actually, that I have some important topics. I have 40, I have 30 important topics with me from everything which is there. Okay, these topics are only from your theory part. So you have these from your theory part. Obviously, if you go back, not very back, but अगर आप अपना 2023 के एनालिसिस और उनके एग्जाम्स के बाद, फ्रॉम 2023, ठीक है, 2023 में आपके जो एग्जामिनेशंस हुए उसमें आप देखोगे आपका ICT, ओके, योर ICT, योर लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड योर all those mathematics related questions, these are the hots right now. जब से आप ये 2023 से देखना शुरू करोगे, 2023, 2022, these are the questions which are present in the examination with more higher number of questions. Okay, so this is not something which I am teaching, not my, you will get detail about this in some other videos with Ashu sir. Okay, but For ICT, you should be aware of the topics which are there, which I am telling you. And I am telling you, trust me, आज अपना एक timetable बनाओ, timetable में इन topics को डालो, prepare them, put them aside, start doing your mock test. This is the best you can do as of now. ठीक है, अभी जो because the time is so less, because the time is so important, every day counts. I am saying it, please don't waste your time, please don't look at 100 videos which are available. They see, if you will watch 100 videos, you will at least get 500 600 important topics. Is it worth it doing right now? Do you have enough time to do that? No, you don't have time to do so much of topics, right? So please stick to one teacher, try and do whatever you can accordingly, and you are doing it for yourself. As I always say, you are not doing it for me, you are not doing it for your parents, you are doing it for yourself, to make and make yourself something better tomorrow, to reach to your goal. And we are just the guiders who will guide you to take the correct path. I don't want you to end up getting confused. यार कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या नहीं पढ़े. No, why? You have Sahitya classes with you, you have this video with you. Why get troubled? Why get confused? What you have to do is pick up your pen, make your timetable, understand your strength, understand your weak topics. Weak topics से दूर मत भागो. Don't run away from your weak topics. अगर आपकी weakness in topics में है, which are there, which are written in this PPT, then please don't run away from those topics. Make them your strength now. There are many videos available of me teaching many topics online. Please try, go back to them, study from them, learn from them. You will definitely learn something new from that. Okay? Because see, I don't teach the normal way. As I always tell you, in Sahitya classes, we are not just making you somebody who can memorize and but we are actually teaching you, we are making you understand every topic very nicely. I'm giving you all the possible ways to recollect what you can, because the syllabus is so vast. We want you to understand the concept and then go ahead. We don't want you to just remember whatever you can. So my teaching is different, and with my experience, with my teaching, I suggest that please make these topics your strength. इनमें से कोई topic मत छोड़ना. Okay? Don't try and do, okay, I will do from this, two from this, two from this. No. Everything should be on your tips from here. एक लिस्ट बना लो, start putting tick marks that I've done this, tick, I've done this I will do on Tuesday, this I will do on Wednesday, this I will do on Thursday, and I'm finished with my important topics, hot topics from paper 1, and now I can go to previous year questions. Okay, let's go ahead. Environment is a very vast topic. Yes, but I have shortlisted very few topics for you from here as well, which are your protocols. Protocols are very important. Pollution, all types of pollution, diseases related to it, waterborne diseases, airborne diseases, all the diseases related to it. Pollutants are also important. Your ozone layer भी आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. Ozone layer is also important. Energy sources, renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Okay. Then MDGs and SDGs हमने क्लास अच्छे से, that every offline batch knows everything of MDG. कोई भी question MDG या SDG का, it is their tip. So student, try and learn it and remember it as you can. Okay. Rio +5 +10 +20, very important. Rios कैसे हैं, how it started, who started, where it happened. COP25, there are many COPs. COP25 is important, other COPs are important. I have told you a lot of times that at least do some of it, जो landmarks हैं जिनसे questions repeat हुए हैं. So environment में अगर आप ये topics कर लोगे, if you are thorough with these topics in your environment topic, you will do wonders in your examination. But when I say thorough with these topics, that means thorough with these topics. That doesn't mean that, you know, ये कर लिया, ये छोड़ दिया. No. With these topics, you should know 100%. All type of questions you should be able to answer from this. Very, very important. Okay. Higher education, I've got you very little topics from it. Why? Because see, I've just got the most important topics I am giving you. Minimum you have to do these topics. कुछ नहीं किया है तो start. Even if you have done, revise. If some of these are not your strength, make it your strength. These are the most important topics to study now. Okay. So here in higher education, universities, your Vedic universities, your post, pre, all these are very important. Okay. And then NEP 2020, very, very important. I have written here also very, very important. It is actually very, very important. Your NEP 2020. 2020 में आया था. It is 2024. Still, it is the most important thing you should know in higher education. Second most important thing. First is your pre-post, all those policies and everything. And second is your NEP 2020. ये चीजें हो गई. You are almost there. Okay, so please, after doing these topics, what my advice is, first plan, do these topics, then start doing your PYQs. Achha, there is one very interesting fact. Once I talk about PYQs with students, you know what they tell me is that, you know, a question, I ask them, how are you solving your PYQs? What is the way and what is the technique you are solving your PYQs from? So, you know, what they told me was that, you know, if this is a PYQ, this is a question and there are 4 options A, B, C and D. We see this is the answer and our PYQ is done. No. My student knows this very well that this is not the way to do. If you want to clear your JRF, this is not your technique for sure. If you know the answer is B, you should know why the answer is B. That is the basic thing you should know. Plus, you should know what is A, you should know what is C and you should know what is D, because chances of question being repeated is very less. Chances of something being asked from A, C or D option is actually more. Are you getting what I am saying? So, you should, once you are solving a question, you should know the answer. Why it is the answer you should know. But if they have 4 options, you should know about all the other 3 options as well. Very, very important. See, these are some things which make you different from the other students. It is the difference between toppers and it is the difference between जो margin से रह गए. Okay, so this is where you are lacking. There are many students who say, I don't know where I lacked. This is where you are lacking. This is the best way to revise. See, अभी के कुछ दिन ऐसे लगा दो that, see, जैसे आपका वो शाहरुख खान है ना, जो चक दे मूवी में he gives a very motivating speech that ये आपके कुछ मिनट्स हैं जिसमें आपको अपना 100% देना है, do or die वाली situation है. This is the actual situation right now. You have some days and you have to you know, do your best, give your best. Please do that. It is very important. आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत करके we have shortlisted some of the very, very important topics which are, you know, the एक होता है ना शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस, वैसा ही समझ लो. एटलीस्ट इनको कर लोगे तो योर पेपर वन विल हैव अ चांस समवेयर. अगेन विच आई टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर और प्रीवियस स्लाइड ऑल्सो, आई टोल्ड यू इफ यू 50 questions sorry, if you have 50 questions, you have to at least have 35 questions corrected, minimum 35 questions correction, then only you stand a chance. ओके, पेपर वन में 35 क्वेश्चंस, 35 तो मिनिमम आपके करेक्ट होने चाहिए. जितने भी ज़्यादा होंगे उतना अच्छा है, बिकॉज देन यू कैन हैव अ लीवरेज इन पेपर टू. ठीक है, अगर पेपर वन में ही आपको लीवरेज चाहिए, और पेपर टू शुड बी वेरी वेरी स्ट्रांग. सी देयर आर टाइम्स पेपर टू कम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड पेपर वन difficulty level is equally, in ratio every time. It is not very very difficult. So unless and until your paper 2 is very strong that you will score 100%, you don't need paper 1. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा, because 100% paper 2 correction is very difficult, because sometimes the question, it's not in our hand also, the question comes very difficult, very tough. But paper 1 difficulty level is not very high, not very low. There are all kind of questions available and you have more chances of scoring. जितना यहाँ score करोगे उतना leverage आपको मिलेगा in the other paper, in your paper 2. ओके, सो मेक पेपर टू योर स्ट्रेंथ. उससे दूर नहीं भागना है. देर आर स्टूडेंट्स जिनको पेपर वन का इंपॉर्टेंस ही एंड में समझ में आता है, और प्रॉब्ली देर आर टाइम्स व्हेन स्टूडेंट अंडरस्टैंड्स द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ पेपर वन आफ्टर गिविंग द एग्जामिनेशन, एंड दैट्स वेरी लेट. See, obviously the paper will come again, you will have to sit for it again. If you are preparing like that, then it's okay. But if this is, see, अपना बेस्ट दो. ट्राई एंड थिंक दैट दिस इज द अल्टीमेट अटेम्प्ट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. आई हैव 20 days, but 20 days में हर घंटे में every day there are 24 hours. Plan and schedule your timetable, that this is the timetable which will take me to success. This is my timetable which will make me win. That ways you will definitely succeed. Trust yourself, trust your instincts, trust your studies. If you're working hard, trust yourself. This is a time when you have to believe in yourself and work as much as you can. In 20-25 दिन, again hashtag no excuses. You don't have to give excuses. कोई excuse मत दो अपने आप को. नींद आ रही है, खाना खाना है, forget about everything in the world. गायब हो जाओ. Okay, come back after giving the examination. Yes, I am back and I have given a very perfect examination and I am sure I'll clear it. See, that should be the criteria. अभी 20 दिन मस्ती कर लोगे तो अगेन आपको पूरा साल फिर मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. बट इन 20 दिन इफ यू गिव योर 100%, यू हैव अ चांस, यू हैव अ स्टैंडिंग. ओके, बिकॉज हार्ड वर्क प्लस स्ट्रैटेजी प्लस प्लानिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तीनों चीज़ें साथ में करोगे, यू विल डेफिनेटली एंड अप लैंडिंग समवेयर. ट्रस्ट मी. ओके, and yes, in the end you do it for yourself. You are doing it for yourself. किसी के लिए पेरेंट्स, मम्मी पापा, चाची चाचू, किसी के लिए नहीं कर रहे हो. यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. एंड ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, हैव द पावर टू स्टैंड, हैव द पावर टू ओवरकम योर फियर्स, हैव द पावर टू come over your excuses. Okay, and we are there. We have our crash course available right now. You can join that crash course and just brush up everything you can which is required during these days, because that's the best we can help you with. So I am Pallavi, your paper 1 educator. Please study hard, all the very best, and we will keep on bringing many videos like this for you, which will be very productive, very informative for you, which can guide you and take you to your goal. But Please don't follow anything, don't listen to everybody at this time. Do what your guide says. Okay, thank you very much. Have a very nice day.